channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to organize your makeup. Acrylic storage from Impressions Vanity. I used to own the 5 storage unit that goes on top of your makeup table, but my daughter, as you can see, she loves makeup and she broke it, so it's okay. I used to be a preschool teacher, by the way. I forgot that toddler ages, they love to touch, and I blame myself. I will never blame my daughter. I instead buy acrylic storage that goes in my Alex drawer, so that way is organized. The makeup doesn't break. Yeah, so just learn from me. I'm a mommy, you know. So there you go. Even if you don't have kids, still organize your makeup with acrylic storage. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you guys the ones that I bought. So my Impressions Vanity haul came in a box, and I'm gonna share with you guys. The name of this product is called Alexa Acrylic Makeup Drawer. It's an organizer for your palettes. It has 16 slots and it's the wide. So I already took the tape out. This is how it looks when you first receive your acrylic storage. It says Impressions Vanity. I haven't opened it, obviously. So it has 8 slots right here where you can put your big palettes, as well as on the right side you can put your little quads in here, or your blushes, or your bronzers, or your powders. Yeah, so I love that. Everything came well packaged, nothing came broken. So that's item number 1. Item number 2 is this one. It's so long. This is the Alexa Acrylic Makeup Drawer Organizer. This is meant for, what is this for? Adjustable dividers, 10 slots, and it's the long version. They also have wide, but I chose the long one. This is how it is. And you receive your product. And yeah, so it fits like this in your Alex drawer. So I'm really happy. Really beautiful. I feel like acrylic is worth the money. And this one is the last product that I purchased, and it's the Alexa Acrylic Makeup Drawer Organizer. So this one is meant for the lipsticks, and it has 70 slots, which is a lot. I don't have 70 lipsticks. And this is the long one. Okay, so it's gonna fit you like this in your Alex drawers. Yeah. That's how it is. And that's how it looks. And it says the name right there. And it's supposed to hold 70 lipsticks. I know you're like, who has 70 lipsticks? You'll be surprised how many people love makeup. This is a 5-drawer organizer. It's the Alex drawer, and like I said in the beginning, I used to have the organizer makeup storage from Impressions Vanity, but the thing that hold the main compartment broke. But then I kept these drawers. My hand, oh my goodness, is what I kept the makeup in. So yeah, but it is broken. It's not like I'm lying. Yeah, so there you go. But I wanted to do something to my makeup drawers as well, so I'm going to share with you guys. So I purchased this, and it's from Amazon, and it's supposed to be a liner for your kitchen cabinets and stuff to keep clean. But I decided to buy this for this, so that way I can add it in here. Okay everyone, so I took the plastic protector that I had, and it's just a liner that you use in your kitchen or your cabinets, but I chose to buy this one through Amazon. I'll make sure I'll put the name in the description box. Put it in here in the, hold on, sorry, in the drawer right here, the liner, this one right here, and it's very easy. Put it in here, and then once you measure it, right, once you know how much amount you need, all you do is grab a scissors and cut it. It's the easiest thing in the world. I wish I would have done this a long time ago. This is the acrylic storage that I bought. I think I bought it last year through, it's not from Impressions Vanity, but it's from a different brand. Hold on. I don't remember the name. I'm so sorry. but I know I bought it through HomeGoods, so yeah. You can find it through Amazon too. So I decided instead, what I'm gonna do is just place my acrylic storage here next on. So this is how my first drawer looks like. I decided to put the eyelash color, my paint pot from MAC, from ABH, a beauty sponge, secret brightening powder. This is just another powder. This is one of my foundation powders, but my daughter has the other powder from MAC. My foundation from Estee Lauder, the L'Oreal one, Fresh Wear, and 3 concealers right here. And that's it. We're gonna move on towards the second drawer. So this is the second drawer, and I'm going to remove everything from here and place the line. So this is the second drawer. This is the 10 compartment storage, and I decided to highlighters and these 2 blushes in here. Third drawer. Okay. This is the storage that has 8 compartments that are long for your eyeshadow palettes, and 8 small. But I chose to put my palettes in here. I left them in here on the side, which I'm okay with that. And I kept the acrylic storage divider organizer, the 5 storage organizer of the past, the one that broke, so I kept it. And this is where I keep my contour, my highlight. Excuse me, mamas. So then this is the 4th drawer, and here I have my lip products. So I decided to put my MAC lipsticks in here, my limited edition lipsticks in here, and then these are glosses, and these are my liquid lipsticks. But guess what, if you put it in here, you see how it moves? So I need to buy an acrylic storage for my liquid lipstick. And then the last storage that I have is this one, and it's for my nails, because I love to do my nails at home. And these are the compounds I use, and that's my Impressions Vanity mirror. So this is my table, and this is the Alex drawer, and I'm just gonna go one by one to show you guys how it looks. Okay. Very quickly, because I have to be with my kids. Just like this. And yes, I have shaving in there. And that's it, really. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like, and leave me a comment. I reply back. I'm nice to reply. Take care. Bye. Love you guys.